Resource Center is well known to provide enormous opportunities for the students to get placement in different well-known companies like Biocon, Parley, Axis Bank, HUL, TCS, an endless list is there. The quality of placement of our alumni has held our head high. We are also encouraged to participate in different life projects apart from our summer internships to experience real-life situations and hone up our skills. Throughout our tenure, we are groomed and trained to compete better and get placement in the organizations of our aspiration.
We feel proud to be an ITSian as we receive an exemplary educational system that prepares us in solving and analyzing various complex organizational issues. The theoretical knowledge and practical application is honed up through various live projects which are sponsored by various industries that helps in grooming ourselves and building our self-confidence. Teachers' pedagogy involves presentations, seminars, management games, etc.
Our Learn faculty members teach us to analyze and solve the problems utilizing various technological advanced resources.
Our guest lectures are aesthetically designed to induce learning and equip with high technical aids.
We, the PG students at ITS, are privileged to given a chance to organize various inter-college business olympiads like Visivik. These gave us chance to hone up our skills and get a huge comparative advantage in the corporate field.
Campus provides an environment conducive to knowledge and learning. We have experienced faculty to help us to enhance our personality and knowledge. We have Wi-Fi enabled campus and eco-friendly environment.
Today, technology plays an indispensable resource for any good organization. Our ITS PG campus has more than 6 state-of-art labs with more than 700 computers. Our campus also enabled with 8 Mbps broadband Wi-Fi connectivity and also providing 24/7 Wi-Fi connectivity within the campus.
We love to lounge in our library, which is stocked with over 34,000 of books. Environment within the library is very pleasant with air-conditioned reading and consulting areas, fully networked, providing access to Indian and global database. For research projects, we refer to wide range of research papers, generals through EBSCO and CMIE database.
The cafeteria is beautifully designed with relaxing sitting arrangement. Apart from providing snacks, meals throughout the day, the cafeteria has a place for discussion, gathering and celebration for us.